Welcome to Motor Insight, your go-to channel for expert motorcycle reviews. If you're passionate about bikes, make sure to subscribe and stay updated on the latest rides. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 Honda SCL500, a stylish scrambler built for both city streets and light off-road fun. Let's dive in. Design and styling. The Honda SCL500 blends classic scrambler aesthetics with modern reliability. It features a round LED headlight, a high-mounted exhaust, and an upright stance that gives it a rugged yet stylish look. The 3.2-gallon fuel tank and tuck-and-roll seat enhance its retro appeal. Honda offers multiple color options, so whether you prefer bold or understated, there's something for you. Engine and performance. At the heart of the SCL500 is a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Rebel 500. It delivers 46 horsepower and 32 lb-ft of torque, providing a smooth, predictable ride. The 6-speed gearbox makes shifting easy, and power delivery is linear, making it great for both beginners and experienced riders. It's ideal for city commuting but has enough punch for weekend adventures. Ride and handling. Honda designed the SCL500 for comfort and control. The upright handlebars and mid-mounted foot pegs create a relaxed riding position, perfect for both short and long rides. The 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks absorb road imperfections well. While it has 6.1 inches of ground clearance for light off-roading, it's best suited for urban and backroad riding. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels add stability without making the bike feel heavy. Braking and safety. The SCL500 comes with a single 310mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS. Braking is smooth and reliable, giving you confidence in various riding conditions. While there are no advanced rider aids, the bike's lightweight design and predictable handling make it easy to control. Technology and features. Simplicity is key with the SCL500. The LCD instrument cluster provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and gear position. There are no fancy ride modes, but LED lighting ensures better visibility. Honda keeps the bike lightweight and user-friendly, making it easy to hop on and ride. Price and competition. Starting at around $6,800, the SCL500 competes with bikes like the Royal Enfield Scram 411 and Yamaha XSR 700. While some rivals offer more tech, Honda's smooth performance and reliability make it a solid choice for riders who want a stylish, approachable scrambler. Final verdict. If you're looking for a stylish, easy-to-ride scrambler that blends retro looks with modern reliability, the 2025 Honda SCL500 is a great option. It's perfect for city riding, light off-roading, and everyday fun. What do you think? Would you ride the SCL500? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. Ride safe.